Hey guys, welcome back to Ask an Engineer. This week we received a question from one of our viewers. Here it is. Is having a flat pattern shown on the drawing a requirement for quoting or manufacturing at all? Great question. The short answer is no. Flat patterns are not required for quoting or manufacturing. We find it more effective to create feature locations directly from the views of a bent part. This method allows us to maintain precision even as bend radius changes occur, as this causes flat patterns to either increase or shrink. These changes can happen due to tooling adjustments, but we ensure the feature locations remain consistent and accurate. That being said, we can absolutely work from a flat pattern drawing if that's all you're able to provide. Hey guys, quick break from the video to let you know the ideal way to submit your design is a full 3D model. This is going to save us a lot of time and effort designing your enclosures. Now let's get back to the video. When working with flat patterns, we use a formula to calculate the K-factor, which is critical for accurate designs. To use this formula effectively, we need important details like the bend radius and the material thickness, like I have shown here with 60 thou material thickness and a 0.04 bend radius. This ensures we can precisely translate the flat pattern into a bend part that meets your design specifications. From here we can change things such as the bend radius to meet our design constraints, and your features will remain in the correct location. So here you can see an example of a drawing submitted with a flat pattern. With this flat pattern you can see it has the overalls and the material thickness as well as the bend radius, which is what we require to use the K-factor formula. What we prefer is a view such as this, fully dimensioned of the bent up part. Here you can also note your bend radius. Now there's something important to keep in mind for this. If your bend radius is critical to your design, we can match it as closely as possible using your bend tooling, and this new bend radius will be noted to you during the approval stage like this. So to wrap it up, flat patterns are not required in your drawings. And if you have any more questions about design aspects, don't forget to leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.